But as an assistant commissioner, obviously आप कोई subdivision में या कहीं बैठे हो power में, you get opportunities.
Yeah.
जब मैं North Nazimabad में था, and I've always been vocal about it, and that took massive actions on it. If anybody's from North Nazimabad, they have heard of Hedri.
Yep.
Yeah. They offered me around 17 a month, lakhs, to not do the anti-encroachment. Me smartly told my seniors कि सर अब तो करना है. Because अगर नहीं करूँ, how does anybody, even as my seniors, know that I didn't take anything?
Yeah.
So I went full ham on it. Then, if anybody knows the mobile market, Sarina.
Yeah.
उनकी भी encroachment होती थी. They offered me 12. And lifetime supply of phones. I'm like मैं phone आपको देता हूँ. 12 की double मैं आपको देता हूँ, पर ये हटेगा. But maybe some people availed it. I just wasn't one of those people. क्योंकि अगर वो करता, मेरे subdivision में encroachment होती.
That this is one of the reasons why I've been saying that this is something which keeps you different from the rest of the
because,
people.
Like I said, I work for the public.
Yeah.
My aim is the public. My aim wasn't how much can I do this. I didn't come in for that.
एक वैसे ही सवाल just popped up in my head. कि since your father was a DIG and he must have a lot of friends in the same field. तो आपके ज्वाइनिंग के बाद क्या कभी ऐसा हुआ कि किसी ने कुछ बोला हो कि यार हाजिम हमारा ये काम तो करते यार भले it's illegal but keep it a secret and just like sign it.
To be very honest, I know a lot of people who watch this or hearing this, they'll be surprised. No. जिन government से मुझे किसी ने नहीं कहा आज तक.
सही है.
I'm just, and I think I might be the only assistant commissioner who has been sitting or dealing with all the seniors that other people did not get a chance to. किसी senior ने आज तक, you name it, कभी मुझे ऐसा बोला, उन्होंने हमेशा उल्टी बात की है मुझे. गलत है, हटाओ. ये कभी नहीं कहा मुझे. So I get really surprised जब I hear, I'm not saying ऐसा नहीं होता होगा.
लेकिन होता होएगा.
मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ है. मुझे किसी ने नहीं कहा, ना डैड के किसी दोस्त ने. Nobody has come to me and said, हाँ. कुछ स्टाफ होते हैं सर जी इसको छोड़ दो ये ऐसा हाँ पर अगर मुझे ऊपर वो लोअर स्टाफ होता है ऊपर वाले जो बड़े हैं सीनियर्स हैं never.
क्या कभी किसी ने आपको ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट दिया कि जब भी हम कोई स्पीच सुनते हैं ऑन टेलीविजन या ऑन सोशल मीडिया एनीवेयर इफ एनीथिंग दैट कम्स थ्रू हाजिम या जैसे अभी मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ यू हैव प्रीटी मच ऑफ लाइक परफॉर्मर पर्सनालिटी. Like performer se murad because you said in the
animated,
start.
You mean?
No. In the start you said I'm not an actor, but I have been in the singing part. But now that when I talk to you, it looks like you have that thing in you as well. Please give it a try someday. If anybody gives you an offer or something.
I know my
like
expressions.
Yeah, exactly.
I know how very animated. I do a lot.
It's pretty much because when you define things. You know the intensity, you know your expressions, you know how much to say, how much not to say.
Maybe I need to sit and focus on it because maybe natural ho raha. Maybe if I focus, I'll understand.
But this is something in you. Please, right after
I don't think I can do any more jobs more than I'm doing right now.
Because we have talked a lot about this civil services things or kya ho raha hai and what makes you different from all the other people. अगर जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल नैब वाले अब आके इन्वेस्टिगेशन शुरू करें ऑफ हाजिम डू यू थिंक आप सेफ होंगे?
They are more than welcome to where they at. Where you at, people?
It was just a question, don't take it seriously.
No. I'm more than willing to take that. Completely 110, 120%, 200%.
Okay. I asked the question, if I give you only two options to go with either music side या artistic side या फिर civil services में रहते हुए you serve people and your only question was be it any side to serve people. Right? अगर मैं before joining civil services या before even stepping into the music side या before stepping into the fashion side अगर मैं एक सवाल पूछूं बचपन में होता है ना या अक्सर लोगों के साथ कि बड़े होके ये बनना है मुझे. What was that first thought of you?
Author. हाँ पता नहीं क्यों आई थिंक बचपन में मुझे ऑथर बनना था एक वक्त में एंड एक वक्त में डिटेक्टिव बनना था.
So कहीं ना कहीं पे do you believe that somewhat anything that you think of in your childhood maybe that thing is actually inside you because if you're not an author you are a songwriter.
जी.
So to some point you are writing.
वो दूसरे तरीके में मैनिफेस्ट हो गया. And if I'm not a detective, I became.
But you became an like
I do
you know
believe that,
how
yeah.
people actually relate with things like that.
I believe that.
And if not an author or detective, like for example, if right now, if keeping everything else aside, if Hazim as fine artist, keep that aside, Hazim as music whatsoever, composer, songwriter, singer, keep that aside, and as assistant commissioner, keeping even that aside, was there any other choice that you could go with कि यार इन सब चीज़ों को छोड़ के ये वो फील्ड है जहाँ this where I could serve?
Initially plan तो था I would join a firm.
सही है.
पर वो होने से पहले ये जब opportunities आई, I went with those. But मैं हमेशा वही आदमी था कि if I have a mind made up, I'm going for it.
Okay, that's great.
I'm going for it. Then
फिर उसके बाद दो रास्ते नहीं है, दो राह नहीं है.
No.
Which oh my God, this is so amazing.
If that takes 40 years, lifetime, 2 साल, whatever it takes.
But I have to go for it.
Yeah, if I've stepped into it.
सही है.
अब तो उसको end करके ही जाना, ऐसे नहीं जाना.
अच्छा, एक सवाल.
जी.
I guess a lot of audience wants to know this as well. ये जो CSS के एग्जाम्स हैं.
जी.
क्या ये हमेशा मेरिट पे ही है या फिर सिफारिश भी होते हैं?
सिफारिश भी होती है. How do I know? I'll tell you, मुझे पता भी है. SPSC हों या CSS हों, अब जहाँ तक मैं तो वो ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट में तो मेरिट पे था. ये मुझे बाद में पता चला. काफ़ी लोग थे जो खुद आके जब मुझे बताते हैं, I'm not taking a hint, जो खुद ऑफिसर्स ने आके बताया और हमने तो इतने दिए. आज तक तुम मेरिट पे थे? नहीं मैंने तो इतने दिए.
सही है.
तुमने इतने दिए? वाह. तो अगर उन्हें दिए हैं वो खुद अपने मुंह से बोल रहे हैं.
सही है.
So I guess मेरिट पे नहीं थे, सिफारिशी कुछ तो था.